Okay, today we've been working on 1/4, a half, and now today we're gonna work with 1/8. So 1/8 as a fraction looks like this, 1/8. When it's taken into pieces, if you cut something into 8 equal pieces, and then you either take one piece away or you shade in, this is 1/8 or 1 part of 8 pieces. And then if it's written in words, it looks like this, 1/8. Okay, so first, we're gonna start out with your favorite, Play-Doh. What color Play-Doh? Blue Play-Doh. So I want you, let me half of that. I want you to make a square or a rectangle. And I want you to show me how you would divide it into 8 equal parts. And I'll make one, you can make one. You have your rectangle. You need something to help make a straight side. All right, so that's that's good. Okay, so now how would you take this and cut it into 8 equal parts? So you would have 1/8, 1/8, and so you want to cut it like you would slice a what?
Pizza.
Okay, but let's look how they did it up here. See, it's a rectangle. You think it would be easier to cut it in squares like this? Now, you're right. If I had a circle, the way you were cutting it would have worked out really well. So how many parts are we gonna have?
8 1.
8 parts. So how many parts do we have so far?
6.
And how many do we need?
8.
Uh-huh.
1.
We need 8. So now how many do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8.
Okay,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
right, now we have 8. But did we use all of our part? Did we use all of our whole? No, because do you have any left over? Okay, if you would have cut them all equally, we wouldn't have had any left over. So now look, I'm gonna show you with this one. And I'm gonna see how they did this? So if you have something, you can cut it in half. So look, now this is 1/2, and this is a half. Then I can cut it in half this way. And now how many parts do I have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. I have 4 equal parts. Well, now I need to get to 8. So I'm gonna cut this one in half. That gives me 6.
6.
And if I cut this one in half, now how many parts do I have?
8.
8. Can you show me what 1/8 would be? If you had 1 part of 8. Would I take all of these, or would I just take 1/8?
All of these.
Well, all of them makes a whole.
No.
If I only want 1/8, what would it look like? We have 8
8.
parts. I only want 1. So how can you show me 1/8? And you can give There you go. This is 1/8. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8.
8. So this is one of them. All right. So that's what 1/8 looks like. Just like this. It's one part of a whole, and the whole is 8. Okay. So let's put this back. And so you started cutting or dividing the Play-Doh into 8 like a pizza. Oops. So now I have a pizza. You know, oh, I was going to have you just color it. Can you color me 1/8 of this pizza? What do we need to do first? Do we need to know how many slices of pizza we have? Okay, starting here, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good. Can you color 1/8 of the pizza? Good job. Do you know what that's supposed to be? What vegetable?
Mushroom.
Uh-huh. Do you like mushroom? No? What do you like on your pizza?
Pepperonis.
Pepperonis. All right. So do you eat 1/8 of a pizza? Or do you have 2 slices when you eat pizza?
1.
You only eat one slice? So you eat probably 1/8 of the whole pizza and you share the rest with your family? Good job. All right. So now we're going to look at this. And this has some of the things we've already talked about over our last couple lessons. We have 1/2. We have 1/4. And now today we learned about 1/8. So what I want you to do is with this pencil, I want you to, or your red pencil, I want you to show me what 1/2 looks like. I want you to shade 1/2 or one part of the circle. Can you show me that?
Like this one?
Uh-huh. On that one. Okay. Well, can you show me what it'll look like to do 1/4 of this circle? All right. And what about this one? This says 1/8.
8.
Can you show me 1/8? All right, I'm gonna let you do this one. So what does this one say?
1/4.
Mm-hmm. Here, I'm gonna switch you pencils because that one's kind of getting dull on you. Okay. We didn't look at 1/3, but I bet you can figure it out. What is 1/3 gonna look like?
Green.
So 1/3 is 3, and if you only are gonna color 1/3, good job. What about this one? All right. Oh, well, how many are you supposed to color?
2.
Wait, this one. What's it say? You just want
2, 3.
1/3. Okay. And the last one, what we learned today.
7.
Oh no, I made it a 1.
1.
Uh-huh.
8.
So what's that gonna look like? Good job. All right. So that's what we're gonna learn. All we're gonna learn today. The next time we're gonna put all of your knowledge that you've learned together in a game. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.